Imagine a digital world where information flows freely and securely, like a never-ending stream of data. This world is powered by blockchain technology, a revolutionary concept that is changing the way we think about trust and transparency. This essay will guide you through the fascinating world of blockchain branches, a fundamental aspect of this technology. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what blockchain branches are, why they occur, and their implications. Let's dive in. Before we explore branches, let's first establish a basic understanding of what a blockchain is. Imagine a digital ledger, like a giant book, where every transaction is recorded chronologically. This ledger is not stored in one place but is distributed across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a set of transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, it becomes permanent and tamper-proof. This decentralized and immutable nature is what makes blockchain technology so secure and revolutionary. Now let's move on to understanding how these blockchains can branch out. Imagine a road that splits into two separate paths. This visual can help us understand the concept of blockchain branches, which are crucial in the world of blockchain technology. This split is similar to what happens in a blockchain branch. When a blockchain splits, it creates two separate paths, each representing a different version of the blockchain. In essence, a blockchain branch occurs when the network disagrees on which blocks should be added to the chain. This disagreement can arise from various factors, such as differences in protocol updates or conflicting transactions. This disagreement leads to the creation of two separate versions of the blockchain, each with its own set of blocks and transactions. These versions can coexist, but they represent different histories and future paths for the blockchain. Just like the two roads leading to different destinations, these branches represent different versions of the blockchain's history. Each branch can have its own unique set of rules and participants, leading to diverse outcomes. These branches can be small and temporary, like a minor detour, which might occur due to a brief network disagreement or a temporary fork that is quickly resolved. Or they can be large and permanent, like a major fork in the road. These significant forks often result from fundamental changes in the blockchain's protocol or governance, leading to long-lasting splits. Let's explore these two types of branches in detail. Understanding the nature of these branches is essential for anyone involved in blockchain technology, as they can have profound implications for the network's future. Small branches, also known as temporary forks, are a common occurrence in blockchains. Imagine a group of friends playing a board game. They might have a minor disagreement about a rule, leading to a temporary pause in the game. Similarly, in a blockchain, miners, computers responsible for adding blocks, might solve a block simultaneously, leading to a temporary branch. However, these branches are usually resolved quickly, as the network converges on the longest and most valid chain. Think of it as a minor detour on the road. While it might cause a slight delay, the traffic eventually merges back onto the main route. Section 5. Big branches, major forks in the blockchain road. Big branches, also known as hard forks, are more significant events that can fundamentally alter the rules of the blockchain. These events are not just minor tweaks or updates, they represent a complete overhaul of the system's protocol. Let's go back to our board game analogy. Imagine you're playing a game with a set of rules everyone has agreed upon. Now, imagine the group of friends deciding to introduce a major rule change that completely changes the gameplay. This isn't just adding a new card or changing a minor rule, it's like changing the entire objective of the game. This significant change is akin to a hard fork in the blockchain. Just as the new rules create a different game experience, a hard fork creates a new version of the blockchain. It often occurs when there's a disagreement within the community about the future direction of the blockchain. These disagreements can be about various issues such as security, scalability, or even philosophical differences about the purpose of the blockchain. This disagreement can lead to the creation of two separate and incompatible blockchains, each with its own set of rules and community. Essentially, the community splits into two factions, each supporting a different version of the blockchain. Unlike small branches, hard forks are permanent and result in two separate cryptocurrencies. These new cryptocurrencies operate independently of each other and follow their own unique set of rules. A famous example is the Bitcoin Cash hard fork, which resulted in a new cryptocurrency with a different block size limit. This change was driven by a debate over how to handle transaction speed and scalability. leading to the creation of Bitcoin Cash as a separate entity from Bitcoin. Another notable example is the Ethereum hard fork, which resulted in Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. This split was due to a disagreement on how to handle the aftermath of the DAO hack, leading to two distinct blockchains with different philosophies and rules. Hard forks have long-term impacts on the blockchain ecosystem. They not only create new cryptocurrencies but also influence the development and direction of blockchain technology as a whole. Each fork represents a new path, a new set of possibilities, and a new community of supporters. Now that we understand the different types of branches, let's explore why they happen. In essence, blockchain branches occur because of the decentralized nature of the technology. Since there's no central authority controlling the network, disagreements and different perspectives can arise. These disagreements can be about technical aspects such as block size or transaction speed, or they can stem from philosophical differences about the future direction of the blockchain. Other factors contributing to branches include software bugs, network latency, and malicious attacks. While most branches are resolved quickly and without major disruptions, understanding their causes is crucial for navigating the blockchain landscape. Blockchain branches, like most technological advancements, come with their own set of pros and cons. These branches, often referred to as forks, can significantly impact the blockchain ecosystem in various ways. Understanding these impacts is crucial for anyone involved in blockchain technology, whether you're a developer, investor, or simply an enthusiast. Let's examine both sides of the coin. Pros. On the positive side, blockchain branches can drive significant innovation and evolution within the technology. Innovation and evolution. Branches foster innovation by allowing developers to experiment with new ideas and features without disrupting the main chain. This sandbox environment is essential for testing new protocols, improving scalability, and enhancing overall functionality. Developers can push the boundaries of what's possible, leading to groundbreaking advancements that can benefit the entire blockchain community. Community engagement. Branches encourage community involvement by allowing users to participate in the decision-making process regarding the future of the blockchain. This democratic approach ensures that the community's voice is heard, fostering a sense of ownership and collaboration. It can lead to more robust and user-centric developments as the community's needs and preferences are directly considered. Increased security. In some cases, branches can enhance security by isolating and mitigating the impact of malicious attacks or software vulnerabilities. By creating a separate branch, developers can address security issues without compromising the main chain. This can be particularly useful in responding to emerging threats and ensuring the long-term stability and security of the blockchain network. Confusion and uncertainty. On the downside, branches, especially hard forks, can create confusion and uncertainty among users, especially newcomers to the space. The existence of multiple versions of a blockchain can be bewildering, leading to a lack of trust and confidence. Users may struggle to understand which version to support or invest in, potentially hindering widespread adoption. Fragmentation. Hard forks can lead to the fragmentation of the community and dilute the value of the original cryptocurrency. When a blockchain splits, it can create competing factions, each with its own vision and agenda. This division can weaken the overall community, reducing the network's strength and cohesion. Additionally, the creation of new tokens can dilute the value of the original cryptocurrency, impacting investors and users alike. Risk of manipulation. While blockchain technology is inherently secure, branches can be susceptible to manipulation by powerful entities or miners. These actors may exert undue influence over the direction of a branch, potentially compromising its integrity and fairness. This risk underscores the importance of maintaining a decentralized and transparent governance structure to protect the blockchain's core principles. Understanding both the advantages and disadvantages of branches is vital for making informed decisions in the ever-evolving world of blockchain technology. By weighing the pros and cons, stakeholders can navigate the complexities of blockchain branches and contribute to the development of a more resilient and innovative blockchain ecosystem. Whether you're a developer, investor, or user, staying informed about these dynamics is key to leveraging the full potential of blockchain technology. As we've explored, blockchain branches are a fundamental aspect of this revolutionary technology. While they might seem complex at first, Understanding their nuances is crucial for anyone looking to participate in the blockchain ecosystem. Whether you're a developer, investor, or simply curious about the technology, grasping the concept of branches empowers you to make informed decisions and navigate the exciting world of blockchain with confidence. By staying informed and engaging with the community, we can harness the true potential of blockchain technology and shape a more decentralized and transparent future. In conclusion, blockchain branches are a testament to the dynamic and evolving nature of this technology. While they present both opportunities and challenges, understanding their intricacies is paramount for anyone looking to leverage the power of blockchain. As we venture further into the uncharted territories of this digital frontier, embracing the complexities of blockchain branches will be crucial for navigating the decentralized landscape and shaping the future of trust and transparency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Web3 content.